your fridge full to bursting? Need extra space to keep your food chilled? Are small items getting squashed or even lost at the back? Introducing Shelf Sliders from JML, the space-saving drawers for your fridge. They're the quick and easy way to organize and declutter, optimize your space, and protect delicate items. Just slip onto your existing shelf for immediate extra storage, allowing you to access food quickly and easily. Fruit and vegetables, leftover cheeses, or hard-boiled eggs. The possibilities are endless. With built-in ventilation holes, shelf sliders allow air to circulate, preventing condensation and keeping your food fresher for longer. And they're dishwasher safe for an easy clean.
Shred, slice, grate and cut your fruit and vegetables. The 6-in-1 mandolin from Tower is the compact solution for any kitchen environment. Perfect for creating toppings to finish a pizza, decorative fruit kebabs, or infuse your water with kiwi and berries. The 6-in-1 mandolin is the compact solution to your kitchen conundrums. The fold-out arm holds 4 interchangeable plates, allowing you to select the cut you need. Shred cabbage, grate cheese, sliced tomatoes or julienne carrots, all cleanly and hygienically dropped onto the reversible chopping board. Stored safely and neatly inside the 6-in-1 mandolin is a handy paring knife, perfect for preparing fruit and veg. The detachable parts of the 6-in-1 mandolin mean cleaning is a breeze. Even the arm can be removed, allowing you to wash the parts with your normal dishes. When finished, the 6-in-1 mandolin folds away into the base for convenient storage, or can be used as a handy chopping board. Start a healthier lifestyle today with the compact 6-in-1 mandolin, part of the new health range from Tower.